Hey everyone, Sarah Hanlon here with AndroidAppsReview.com, and today we're taking a look at WEYV, which is a really cool multimedia app for Android. It's available to download from Google Play for free, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works. WEYV is a really unique app because it's designed around the same concept as Pandora, Spotify, YouTube, free magazine apps like Readle, or rather magazine library apps like Readle, in a way that it consolidates all of these different services into one place and kind of turns multimedia consumption into a social network of sorts, because you can share with your friends what you're reading, what you're listening to, what you're watching, and see what they are doing in the app as well. One of the things that I want to mention about WEYV right off the bat is that you can sign up for a free 14-day trial when you first open the app. After that, you do have to pay for it, which is unfortunate, but to be honest, with how much content the app is offering, it's definitely worth it. And 2 weeks is plenty of time to decide whether you're going to actually take advantage of it or not. So, like I said, just to clear the air, it is an initial 14-day free trial. So you see here, this is the music section. Up here is where you can navigate the different options for your multimedia. So you can listen to music, you can discover music, you can even save music for offline play. And this is the one thing that I really like about the app, is occasionally it'll pop up with little tips and tricks. Everybody loves tips and tricks. So that is something to keep in mind. Like I said, it offers offline playability like Spotify does. And this is where WEYV is pretty cool, because all of a sudden you have access to hundreds of digital magazines all at your consumption. And one thing I do want to mention is you'll see below each magazine there's a number: 5 units, 10 units, etc. Units is the WEYV form of currency. So in order to read these magazines, you have to spend units, and you start out with 15 units, and you can get more by inviting friends. So it is something to keep in mind. There is a huge variety of magazines. Let's see, go ahead and just tap one quick, just to show you what it looks like. It looks like a regular magazine. And let's see, there's another one of our helpful tutorials. Let's see, it looks like it won't let me skip it. There we go. You can tap it and instantly browse through the entire magazine. You see up at the top, it is a current issue. It's March 2018. One drawback to the magazine is, unfortunately, you don't get a trial issue. So I mentioned when you first download WEYV, you get 15 credits or 15 units. I now have 15 units again, so maybe it is possible that you do get a trial if you don't spend a lot of time reading the magazine. I have to clarify on that. And for the watch portion of WEYV, as you can see, it is coming soon, so it is a feature that will be released shortly, hopefully shortly, but it is something to keep an eye out for. And one of the things that I want to mention about WEYV is on the right here, you can see I've got some music stuff going on, and I'm sure this is probably just for my old dinosaur of a Nexus 7, but I didn't find a very easy way to expand this area over here. Like I said, I'm not sure if that's just me, but it is a little bit cramped here with playlists and whatnot. Then it kind of is, I don't want to say irritating, but I'd like to be able to see the playlist queue and whatnot without having to expand all of this area. But like I said, it's very possible that is device-based. I said this is a dinosaur of a tablet to begin with. As far as overall thoughts on WEYV, I think it's a really cool app. I think it's got a lot of potential. It's definitely going to be able to develop as a social network because, like I said, once you get a few friends on here, you can see what they're doing. They can easily share music, magazines with you and whatnot. So it definitely has a ton of potential. And as far as the paid service goes, that's what you can expect from something that offers you a bunch of music and magazines for free. Well, not really for free, but instant access, I should say. So, again, WEYV is available to download from Google Play for free with a trial and is designed for Android. This has been Sarah Hanlon with AndroidAppsReview.com taking a look at WEYV. Till next time.